Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to activate a shared Gemini account completely for free and get full access to VEO 3.1 and Gemini Pro with no watermark at all. You'll be able to easily create extensions, generate videos with VEO 3.1, add sound effects, and even include lip sync text if your videos require it, all completely free. So, let's get started. First, click on the link I've placed for you in the description and enter the Gemini website. Once the page loads, you'll see the Gemini Enterprise section, which is the business version of Gemini. Our goal is to activate this enterprise version entirely for free. Please pay close attention here. The process is actually very simple. I highly recommend following along with the video step by step so you can activate your account smoothly without any issues. Let's do this together. In this step, the system asks us for an email address. I've put a link to temporary email services in the description, and we can use a temporary email to complete this process and activate our account. So I enter this page, which is the temporary email link. Please pay attention to the top section. This is the temporary email that has been generated for us. In the lower section, there is a Generate New button. If I click on it, the email at the top will change. Personally, I usually use emails that have a Gmail or Google Mail suffix. However, for this account, I recommend not using those types of emails because they belong to Google and it may ask you for a password. Instead, click Generate New until you get an email that does not have a Gmail or Google Mail suffix, like this one. Now I simply copy this email from here, go back to the previous page, paste the email here, and click on Continue with Email to move to the next page. At this stage, it asks me for a code, so I go back to the same temporary email page. Here, we have a button called Go. Please pay attention to this part. When you click this button, you'll enter your temporary email inbox. I click on it. As you can see, very easily and smoothly, you can activate your account this way. At the moment, I haven't received any email yet. If this happens to you, don't worry at all. We have a reload button here. Click it to refresh the inbox, then wait until the email arrives. As you can see, Google Gemini has now sent me an email. I open it, and here is the code we need. I simply copy it from here, go back to this page, paste it here, and click on Verify. Once I do that, it takes me to the next page. In the comments, some of you have asked me why the email doesn't arrive for you. That's totally fine. You can simply change the email. Most likely, it's just a small bug on that side. Now stay here with me. At this step, it asks us for a name, so I enter my channel name, then I click on Agree and Get Started. As you can see, it says that it's signing in and setting things up for us. Up to this point, we haven't paid anything and we haven't used any credits at all. We just wait for this page to load and move forward. Now, at this step, click on I will do this later to enter the next page. Here, we have a Generate Video option. When we use Generate Video, it creates a video for us using VEO 3.1. We also have Nano Banana, which I can use very easily as well. First, I'm going to create a video using a very simple prompt. You can even write your prompts in Persian here. I'll use a very short prompt just to show you the quality of the output. In the prompt section, I write that a person is doing makeup inside a room. Then I click on this button. As you can see, it immediately starts generating my video. I'll explain the other options as we go. Guys, if the video has been helpful so far and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, make sure to like it and share it with your friends. That really supports me and I truly appreciate your ongoing support. Alright, the video is now ready. I'll show you the final result at the end of the video so you can watch it with sound and see how well it performs. As you can see, there is no watermark at all. From here, we can also download the video and save it directly to your device. Now, I'm going to write another very simple prompt here, where my character is walking next to the owner, for example. I click the button to generate the video. The previous one took about 1 minute to generate, so I'll wait for this one to finish as well. All right, our next video is ready as well. As you can see, the quality is excellent. It looks extremely natural and there is no watermark. VEO 3.1 generated it very quickly. It took less than 1 minute. Guys, if you want to create videos with lip sync text between Sora and VEO 3.1, VEO 3.1 definitely delivers better quality. So if lip sync accuracy matters to you, make sure to use this method. It helps you raise the quality of your work and create something truly professional. Now, I'm going to exit this section. Please pay attention to the bottom area here. I click on it and go to Create Image, which belongs to Nano Banana Pro. I click on it. This is the Gemini interface we're using right now, and this account is a shared account that we're currently using completely for free. Make sure to note that if you're using a VPN, your VPN location must be set to the United States. Now, I'm going to write a prompt here. In the previous 2 videos, we converted text into video. This time, I want to create an image, and then we'll also convert that image into a video. Look here, Nano Banana Pro is active, and I've written my prompt. All the prompts I use in this video will be shared with you in my Telegram channel and Discord channel. The links to both are in the description, so you can grab them from there. I click on this button and wait for Nano Banana Pro to generate the image for me based on the prompt I provided. All right, Nano Banana Pro has created our image. Just look at the quality and how well it has handled the details. This image shows 2 siblings playing in a park, and the style of the image is anime. Now, we're going to turn this image into an animation. I download it from here. As you can see, the download button is right here. Then I tap on this button at the bottom again. Please pay attention to this section. I click on it to go back and I switch it back to Generate Video. Here, we have an additional option. As you can see, when I click on it, we get an Upload File option, and now we can upload our image. I upload the image we just created and wait for it to finish uploading completely. Then I paste the required image to video prompt here. You can also find this prompt in my Discord and Telegram channel. I click on this button and wait for the image to be converted into an animation. All right, our animation is ready as well. It's an amazing animation with no watermark at all, and using this button, you can download it very quickly. The quality is truly high, and the image quality is outstanding. Guys, if you're creating content using this method, this is our Discord account, and I've put the link for you in the description. Here, we have a section called AI Images and Videos. If you'd like, you can share your work there, ask questions, exchange ideas with others, get inspiration, and interact with the community. Using this method, you can easily use Nano Banana Pro and VEO 3.1 completely for free and without any watermark. All right, now let me tell you a very important point. It's not that we don't need any credits at all here. After you generate a few videos, you'll eventually hit a limit and you won't be able to create more videos. To fix this, click on this button here, which is the profile icon, and sign out from this section. Then simply repeat the exact same sign-in process again. Go back to the temporary email link, create a new account again, and you can use this method unlimited times. And this is the final result, an outstanding outcome.
So today I'm going for a soft, smoky eye look.